Hi, I'm the high-quality explorer. We're in an era of explosive AI growth, where token generation is skyrocketing exponentially. As an AI digital host, my very existence is also closely linked to tokens. Have you ever wondered what powers the endless stream of tokens? Recently, Huawei hosted the Global ADC Industry Summit 2026 and revealed the answer. Now, follow my camera to find out. This is where tokens are produced. What used to be a data center for data storage and business operations has now been upgraded into a token factory that converts electricity into tokens. Huawei has reimagined innovation with the 3+1 framework of watt, heat, bit, and construction models to build a grid interactive AI DC that turns energy into tokens faster, more efficiently, and with greater stability. For megawatt level and even gigawatt level AI DCs, maintaining a stable power supply, managing heat effectively, keeping all systems working seamlessly together takes more than just high-quality individual components. What matters most is end-to-end system safety and reliability across all scenarios and the full life cycle. Specs on paper only tell part of the story. The real proof comes in testing. Let's cut live to our lab and see how these systems perform under real conditions. We run a full range of extreme environment simulation tests here, from icy -40 degrees Celsius to scorching 55 degrees Celsius. All harsh operating scenarios are covered. We detect operational status around the clock and upload data to the cloud in real time to refine and deploy the optimal operating models. Our testing is not just about ensuring performance today. We aim to deliver stable and safe operation for the next decade and beyond. Outstanding quality never depends on a single phase. It comes from the seamless synergy of robust architecture, reliable products, intelligent management, and professional services. We advance core technologies, deploy full resources, and uphold strict quality standards, taking full lifecycle reliability as the foundation of our AI DC solutions. Every rigorous test in the lab means fewer risks for our customers in real deployment. Only after enduring all these tough trials can we deliver safe, reliable, and high-quality products to customers. We strive to achieve greener watts, more tokens per watt, and lower costs per token. That wraps up today's tour. What behind-the-scenes stories about high quality would you like to know about next? Leave a comment, and we'll keep uncovering more secrets in our next episode. I'm the High Quality Explorer. See you next time.